Hello everyone, so today we're just going to look at some slightly harder examples of how to solve some algebra. So, we have an equation here, which again means it's an algebra question that has an equals in the middle of it, where we have an x term on one side, but another x term on the other side. So the strategy we practiced previously was to try and get only x terms to the left hand side and only constant terms like 3 here on the right hand side. So we're going to apply the same method again today, but this time we're just going to focus more on getting rid of our x terms from the right hand side. So the way we'll do that is very similar to what we did yesterday. Write out our terms on each side, keeping the equals in the middle, and to cancel out the 3x, we're going to subtract 3x from the right hand side. Again, the reason why we want to do this is because 3x minus 3x will cancel out to give us 0. If you have 3x's and you take away 3x's, you're left with nothing. Now what we're doing on the right hand side we also have to do to the left hand side, is one of our rules for algebra equations. So we're going to take 3x away from the left hand side too. The rest of the equation is exactly as it was before. We've just added in a minus 3x to each side. Now we can start simplifying this equation. So on the right hand side, 3x, take away 3x will cancel, which is what we had planned for, and we'll just be left with 3. On the left hand side, 4x, take away 3x will just give us x. So this gives us our answer, x is equal to 3. So we'll look at another example here before I let you off to do some questions yourselves. Minus 4x is equal to x plus 15. So again, our goal is to have only x terms on the left hand side and only regular constant terms on the right hand side. So to do that, we're going to have to try and target and get rid of this x term over here on the right. So we'll rewrite the expression as it is. Minus 4x is equal to x plus 15. Then to try and get rid of the x on the right hand side, what we're going to do is take away x from this side. So x, take away x will leave you with nothing. What we do to the right hand side, we have to do to the left hand side always to match them up. So we're going to end up taking away an x from each side. So over on the right hand side, our plan originally was to have x and minus x cancel out, which they do. So we're just left with 15 on this side, and on the right hand side, minus 4x minus x. This will simplify to minus 5x. Again, you can imagine that minus x is really a minus 1x. It's just written as minus x. So if you have minus 4 of something and you take away 1, well, the signs match, so you add them and you keep that sign. Another way of thinking about it is if you have minus 4 euros in your bank account and you take away 1 euro, you'll be down to minus 5 euro. So at this point we're nearly done. We just have to find out what x itself is. So we'll use the algebra skills we've already practiced to try and get rid of the minus 5 on this side. Hopefully at this stage you know that whatever you do to the left hand side to cancel stuff out, you're going to have to do to the right hand side as well. So if we divide the left hand side by minus 5, we have to divide the right hand side by minus 5 too. Minus 5 divided by minus 5 on the left hand side will cancel to give you plus 1, x, which we'll just write as x. On the right hand side, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and a plus divided by a minus gives you a minus. So there's a second solution done out now.